Good evening, Shelby Oaks parents. I was decided to make this video because I know that there are some parents that are probably wanting to know how to access Clever and how to get on iReady. So I figured I would make a video to show you how to access Clever and to use iReady if you are able to access a computer at home. You can open Firefox or Google Chrome. I prefer to use Google Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and open up a different Google Chrome so I can just show you how to go step by step. I'm going to open a Google Chrome. You can type in the search bar EduGoodies. Once you type in EduGoodies, hit enter. It should take you to the Shelby County Schools EduGoodies page. And this is our Shelby County Schools EduGoodie page. You go down the EduGoodies page and you can find a button that reads Clever. You look through these buttons, and here's a button that reads Clever. Click on Clever. It should take you to, okay, that's not what I wanted. Hold on one second, I forgot to log out. Let's try that again. Let's get a fresh page. All right, try that again. We're going to click on Clever. You should get a login page that comes up like this, has a little girl with a bow in her hair. And you can click on, for students, they will click on the blue C that says students, log in here. Click on that. And you will use the student ID that you can find on PowerSchool, or you can probably contact your child's teacher through email and they will probably give it to you. Their 6-digit student ID goes here. I'm going to use my son for example. His student ID would go here. The password is their 8-digit student birthday. I'm going to type in my son's for an example. And then you would click on login. If the login is correct, you should get a page that looks like this. You can go down and your child can use iReady at home. Click on iReady. And this is what you should get. You should see your child's name up here at the top, and you can click a subject down here. And this is how you can access iReady to be able to still continue learning activities at home. Thank you. Hope this helps. Feel free to ask questions.